Ito na ang isa sa mga life hack sa buhay ng Pinoy. Una, mag-wish. I wish to be other than I am. To have a different self. Gusto mo maging mayaman, gusto mo maging doktor, gusto mo maging abogado, gusto mo maging iba yung sitwasyon mo kasi sa tingin mo dun ka magiging masaya. Pangalawa, kumilos. So I try to make myself into someone different. Mag-aral ka, magsumikap ka, mahihirapan ka into making yourself into a different self. And magkakaroon ng dalawang result yan. You fail and you despise yourself for failing. And andyan na yung thought na sinisisi mo na yung sarili mo. Because you think your failure does not have any value. Pangalawa, you succeed and abandon your true self to be your new self na ginusto mo naman in the first place. Did you succeed? At what cost? Your true self. So, payag ka. Nakuha mo yung change na gusto mo pero kapalit yung totoong sarili mo. Either way, you will enter despair doon sa true self mo. Despair, why? Nawawalan ka na ng pag-asa doon sa true self mo kasi na-realize mo you also need to give up at least something or sometimes everything in exchange para mabago mo yung buhay mo. At syempre, we as a creature of habit is terrified to detach sa mga kailangang bitawan para mag-transform. Ngayon, nung nakuha mo yung gusto mo, kailangan mong mag-alay ng sakripisyo sa altar kapalit ng lumang sarili mo. From self-version 1.0 to self-version 2.0, but wait, there's more. Nung nag-transform siya from version 1 to version 2, nalaman niya na yung totoong sarili niya nasa version 1 pala. So nagtatalo na yung mga laman loob mo sa katawan mo like yung puso at utak mo. And that's the time that you will enter despair sa parehong senaryo. Mawawalan ka ng feeling ng pag-asa sa true self mo. You worked hard for your other self, pero you end up not liking it. Now, to escape despair, you must accept your true self. If you want the truth, then you must pay the price. Acceptance. Law of equivalent exchange. A price for everything. Now, to be that self which one truly is indeed the opposite of despair. Kaya lagi po tayong magpapakatotoo mga ka-extremist. Have a good day. Bye!
This is Pinoy Extreme.